Local news for Friday the 2nd of February. Real-time statistics from realestate.co.nz show that while the major centres in New Zealand are cooling, Wairarapa was still a hive of activity in January, according to spokesperson Vanessa Taylor. New listings were up in Wairarapa, which went measured at 10.3%, and an average asking price now $473,850. Emergency services were called to a motor vehicle accident early yesterday morning where a car ended up on its roof just after 5 a.m. near Gladstone. The accident is believed to have occurred in an area that has recently had gravel laid down and has a 30 km/h speed restriction. And it's congratulations to Hyundai Wairarapa, who has won the IBM Connect's Best Small Workplace in New Zealand. In sports, tomorrow Brent Gare will take on Lansdowne in the Bibble Cup one-day match held at Queen Elizabeth Park. That kicks off at midday. And Sunday we'll see Greytown play Hutt Cricket Academy. That game in Greytown at 11 a.m.